Hi guys, it's Jay from Cardi Security. I'm one of the technicians here. We've got this beautiful E36 convertible. Customers spent a lot of money on this car with the wheels, the interior. The car is basically mint. So he's come into us now, he's on KW coilovers. His basically idea is to have it on air ride and have something done in the boot. So we're going to be doing a bespoke boot build in the car. We'll also be installing airlift 3H with the airlift performance struts. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start stripping the vehicle down and get cracking. So I'm just mocking up what is in my head to do something for a boot build. This is something I've drawn up. So in the spare wheel well, where the spare wheel would go, we're going to basically put the airlift manifold, a few hard lines. We'll have a twin compressor set up. We're going to push the tank along the back underneath the roof cover, which I'll probably house in a cover. So instead of showing the full tank, I'll probably do like a window here. And that's what it will look like from bird's eye view of the actual boot build here. Do a cover panel on top of it. So the tank will be sitting in this point here. I think I'm going to try and go with that with a bit of lighting, maybe a bit of perspex in there. See how it turns out. Run lines, height sensor wires, we've got the wiring in. I've done the height sensor brackets, mounted the height sensors. So all the underneath is basically all done on the car. This is plexiglass, so that's Viair. So we've sandwiched that between the floor levels. This is going to be trimmed in black alcantara, so is the top. And we're going to basically fit the light in here. And what it's going to do with the finished product is going to glow, give us a glow here and here, because the light goes through the glass. Trying to make a few bits up, getting ready for it to get trimmed. So I've made holes for my air lines and hard lines. So I'm just going to get a couple of fittings on the compressor. I'm going to notch a few bits out on these because to hide the wires for the LEDs. I might as well trim it all, start sandwiching it all together, and making the hard lines that I need to. But after I've done this, I might just put the fittings in there and then start bending some lines so they're ready. This one either comes straight like this and curve in, like that. And I might U-bend it across, come in like this and into here, or just come like this. There, like so, and then one of these is going into there, then this one will be going into there, but obviously into the correct holes, and this one will be going into there. We're just dyeing the customer's carpet They don't really do this, but because the build is all black, you can see the difference from the original boot carpet to the panels that we've done there. So we're just dyeing the panel just so it blends in better with the rest of the boot build.
Brushed, we could fan it, make it look like trees.
So all the hard lines are now completed, various bits of the boot build trimmed in alcantara, all the lighting in position and all working correctly. So now it's all time to put it all together. Right guys, car is now complete. We've done the boot build and this is it. So what we've done for the client is, first of all, you notice the standard BMW grey carpet is no longer. We've dyed this and also painted the toolkit just to sort of blend in with the boot build. Customer hated the grey colour, which come in all E36s. This is the boot build here. Made a new false floor, that's the build. We've got some perspex lighting, we've bent some hard lines and painted them. Twin compressors. Along the back of the boot, we've also got a airlift tank, which we've painted, and a few hard lines with bulkhead fittings. Really pleased with how this car's turned out. It's got a nice effect to it, not too much. Still got somewhat of a boot as well. I've done him a plain cover to go over the build so he can still use it. So if he's going to a show, we can put an overnight bag in, so it's still a practical boot as well as being a show build. Right guys, that's the E36 3H custom build completed now. We've obviously shown you the stages the car's been through, what we've done in the boot and how we've installed the air. If you want to see more content on future builds, please like, share and subscribe. We shall see you on the next one. Take care.